EU accession to the European Convention on Human Rights. Why does it matter? The European Convention on Human Rights is a human rights treaty that protects fundamental civil and political rights. It applies to every individual across all 46 Council of Europe member states, and thereby across all members of the European Union. It is the European Court of Human Rights in Strasbourg that ensures that these rights are respected.
Well, if the court finds that there has been a violation of the convention, it can award compensation to the injured party. And also, judgments are binding on member states, which means that competent authorities have the duty to implement the judgments by adopting general and individual measures.
In a previous case against a member state, a nurse spoke out about the poor standards of the nursing home where she was looking after older people and got fired. After exhausting all domestic remedies, she took her case to the court in Strasbourg, which ruled that national authorities had failed to protect her right of reporting wrongdoing and thereby her freedom of speech. It is only by acceding to the convention that the EU will be subject to the scrutiny of the European Court of Human Rights and to the same system of international human rights oversight, just as its member states.
Individuals and companies will be able to challenge decisions adopted by EU institutions before the European Court of Human Rights.
The Council of Europe and the European Union have been working together on protecting human rights for many years. Once all the steps are completed, the accession of the EU to the European Convention on Human Rights will be a historic milestone in their cooperation. It signals the commitment of both organizations to uphold the highest standards of human rights protection across Europe.